Whip up this delicious prawn and chorizo paella for your next family dinner. Packed with veggies, prawns, and peppery chorizo, it's a must-try. Start by heating half the oil in a large deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook the chorizo, stirring until golden brown. Then transfer to a plate. Heat the remaining oil in the pan, add the onion and cook, stirring until the onion softens. Add the capsicum and garlic. Cook, stirring until the garlic is aromatic. Next, add the rice, tomato paste, paprika, turmeric, stir to combine, and stock. Season. Bring the mixture just to the boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cook, stirring occasionally for 25 minutes or until the rice is just tender and the liquid is absorbed. Top the rice mixture with peas, corn, prawns, and the pan-fried chorizo. Cover with foil or a lid and cook until the prawns are cooked through. You'll know the prawns are cooked when they curl and turn orange in colour. To finish off the paella, stir in the spinach and season, and a drizzle of lemon. Seafood paella is always a crowd-pleasing choice, and this prawn and chorizo paella will be no exception. Vibrant and full of flavour, your guests will love it.